Who knows where chess came from? My friend thinks Germany, France. Okay, why would you think France? Because there's a king. Is there a king in Germany? Yes. In Germany, can tell me, why do you think chess was invented? Chess was invented to replace war. And so they decided, for us to always fight without killing, we have to simulate this war on a map or on a board, such that the two kings will fight with their minds and not with their body. And voila, that's how chess is created. Let us look at our mat. Our mat is divided into two sides. One side has number 1 and the other side has number 8. And that is how you're supposed to put your mat. Not how your mat is arranged. Yes. Everybody confirms that your mats are arranged correctly. Yes. Chess is a very easy game. The only reason why I call this game discriminatory is they decided to put the white pieces on the side with number 1. The white pieces goes to the side with number 1. I think this one, the side with 8 goes with which color? Black. Can everybody find a piece that they think is a king? Can everybody find a piece? Very good. This is just it has a cross on its head. Why do you think it has a cross on its head? Because in the olden days, the king used to rule the people and the church. The king used to rule the people and he used to be the leader of everything. It's not on the position labeled E. Grab the king. On position labeled E for elephant. Because the king must always have a partner. Who is that? Very good. Everybody find a piece that they think is a queen? Very good. If you notice, the queen has a crown on her head. Can you see that? Yes. And the queen being a girl, wanapenda marine. The queen like to match her dress with her shoe. Yes. Notice that the white queen will stand on the white box D, and the black queen will stand on the black box D. If they differ, you know you have done the wrong thing. After the king and queen stayed together, they thought, hey, they got a prince and a princess. Two pieces that look the same. Can you lift them up with their bishops? One stands next to the king, one stands next to the queen. What is their difference? Yes. One of the bishops stands on a white color, the other bishop stands on a black color. For the whole time of the game, that bishop will remain on its color. Okay? Those bishops, the king started sending the prince, hey, can you go to the stables and tell those knights to come? And then the queen starts telling the princess, can you go to the salon, get me some wigs? Can you go to the shop and get me some dress? And then they're like, hey, mommy and daddy, can you get us at least a bike to or a vehicle to at least go around? And in the olden days, do you think they have cars? What do you think they used to ride? Horses! Everybody find some 2 horses! Very good. 1 horse is for the prince, 1 horse is for the princess. Can you place them the way they're supposed to be? Very good. Now that the king has everything that he needs, will the king live outside? Where do you think the king lives? The king decided to build himself a castle. 1 castle on one side, the other castle on the other side. Now, the king, will the king be a king without some subjects? He needs some subjects to rule over. The rest of the people, they are called pawns. They are the subjects. Place them in front of those big pieces. Voila. Very good. And just like that, you figure out how to arrange the chess. Just like that, you figure out how to arrange the chess. Look at that board. Look at it very correctly. Will you remember how to arrange those pieces by yourself? Yes. Hold this part. Hold that part. 3, 2, 1, lift it up. Down. It's a competition. Whoever gets their part. Wait. Hands off the table. Hands off the table. We want this to be a very fair game. So, the challenge is arranging those pieces correctly. Whoever gets there first is the winner. Whoever gets there last is the rotten banana in the bush. Let us see the winner, let us see the rotten banana. 3, 2, 1. Let us see if those people figure out how to do that. Done. We have some winners. How many are done? How many are not? Who's the winner? Who's not the winner? Okay. Mtu ameweka king on the wrong place. Nipate mtu ameweka king on the wrong place. Nani ameweka king kwa D? Who is that? The big pieces. Can you small pieces, they are all pawns. Every pawn is worth 1 point. Every pawn is worth 1 point. Now look at this. These pieces have 2 options. They have how many? 2 options. They either be courageous or they could be shy. Who wants to be courageous in life? Who wants to be shy in life? Good. Yeah, life will give you some opportunities which will need you to be courageous, and some opportunities will need to be shy. It's up to you to make up a choice, okay? If you are courageous, you are allowed to do 0, 1, 2. Can everybody do that? It's okay. You can move whichever you like. They are all yours. If on the other hand you become a shy person, you are allowed to do 0, 1. Everybody do 0, 1. Any subsequent step from there, it is 0, 1. For those guys who have moved. For those guys who have moved. Those guys that have not moved, you can do 0, 1, 2 if you choose. Everybody we're looking at him. How do we capture? Very good. Have you seen that? So that is called a capture. That is called a. If you have this option ya kukula, si lazima ukule. You can
get it now. You have to make
a that. Because many people forget this option. You don't. If this piece afanye kazi kubwa, akuje afike hapa, what happens?
It can turn to a queen or a knight or a.
What is the name? What is that name? What do we call it? Good job. We call it promotion. This piece gets promoted to any other piece on the board. Any other big piece on the board apart from the king. You can only have 1 king in the game, but you can have 2 queens. You can have 3 queens. And this game of chess is a turn-taking game. What do I mean by a turn-taking game? You have to give your opponent a turn, okay? And I say this game is a very racist game because the white pieces always start again. Start again. White move. Yes. Black move. Very good. White move. Black move. Listen. Chess will teach you something. It is always advisable to walk with your friends. What if that friend was there? If this guy decides to capture, the friend helps. Chess will teach you always walk with your friends. And that is a lesson in life, okay? Listen. I forgot to say, these pawns are restricted to a forward movement. They always move forward unless when they are capturing. If you're not capturing, unasongaje? I got carried away. We have figured out how to move the small pieces. Let us go to the big pieces, yeah? And now, those castles are allowed to move forward, backward, left, I am move forward. Let's go. I am now go capture the right. Very good. I am go capture backwards. Carry your bishop. Are you ready to move? And the white pieces start. Move diagonally. Very good. Black move. Now we have understood how to move the castle and the bishop. Let's go to the king. So I need you to take 8 pawns. 8 pawns of the opposite color. 8 pawns of the opposite color. 8 of them. The king goes one step at a time in all directions. Yes? Correctly arrange those pieces. Examples of opening principles. Opening principles are those tricks that will help us to be able to win faster. Before we finish the first 10 steps, you are only allowed to touch a piece once. You're only allowed to touch a piece once. And before you finish those 10 steps, you must have castle. Who knows the meaning of the word castle? Yes, what is castle?
It's switching the king.
It is switching the king for the rook. Because So what do you think? King goes 0, 1, 2, and then castle, boom, to the other side. Did you see that?
Yes.
That is called castling. That is called
Castle.
By the time move, these two pieces should have gotten out of here and move to our castle. Are we ready to do that?
Yes.
So who knows which is the best piece to start with? Who knows which is the best piece to start with? Which pawn? There are 8 pawns. Yeah, the E pawn is the best pawn to start with. Which is the E pawn? Can somebody check the E pawn? Yes. Aya, come. Okay, for which is very good to have. Okay. Why is this E pawn the best piece to start with? Because very good. This guy has an idea. Each opens the way for this piece. So you know that here it all opens the way for what? Move that key position. 0, 1, 2. Let's go. After doing that, develop your knight. 0, 1, 2, 3. I have developed your other knight. Have you developed your knight?
Yes.
Now develop that bishop that is between the king and the castle. Now as you picture the first pawn, can you see there is a space between the castle and the king?
Yes.
Can you see there is a space between the castle and the king?
Yes.
Now I need you to castle. 0, 1, 2, and then the castle to the other side.
The guitar.